I've learned a lot at LLRISE about radar and its applications in the real world more than I've ever been able to before. So we've done electrical engineering, some computer engineering, programming with Python, and then ultimately putting the whole radar together and actually running experimental research about it. I came into this program completely clueless about what specific STEM I was doing or how to just explore the field.
I think one of the main things that I've learned is how much I really love just every aspect of engineering.
It's definitely been challenging, but it's very fun because you get to work with these people that are from all different communities, all different backgrounds, and you see where they come from, and you see that you guys are all really the same, working towards the same goal, and no matter where you come from, you can definitely achieve great things.
I've learned so many new perspectives on what it's like to just be a person in the world from the community that's been around me. And I would also say that everyone is always willing to help with anything. There have been so many times I've had a question on the homework and just gone to one of my classmates, gone to one of the TAs, and they've been willing to just sit down and walk me through the whole process.
I just believe that this program just helps me understand what I can do to strengthen myself in these aspects. It was a very challenging program to start off, but the community, the people around me, the people at this laboratory just made it so much easier, and they opened themselves with open arms.
Come to LLRISE. It's really good. It's an amazing experience. I've learned so much from my time here.
You should definitely apply to LLRISE because it gives you so much more exposure to STEM and gives you an amazing community that you can find your place in, and you will find that you can do so much more than you realize.